Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Zest Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zestmortgagesolutions.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Zest Mortgage. Now click on the Apply Online button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the application page. Now within this page, click on Login at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Go ahead and type in your email address within the email address box that you have set up while creating your account. Then type in your account password underneath within the password box and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Zest Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Zest Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.